In March and April 2021, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered the Russian military to begin massing thousands of personnel and equipment near its border with Ukraine and in Crimea, representing the largest mobilization since the annexation of Crimea in 2014. This precipitated an international crisis and generated concerns over a potential invasion. Satellite imagery showed movements of armor, missiles, and heavy weaponry. The troops were partially withdrawn by June 2021, but the crisis was renewed in October and November 2021, when over 100,000 Russian troops were massed around Ukraine on three sides by December. The crisis stemmed from the protracted and ongoing Russo Ukrainian War and the war in Donbass, which began in 2014. In December 2021, Russia advanced two draft treaties that contained requests for what it referred to as security guarantees, including a legally binding promise that Ukraine would not join the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, as well as a reduction in NATO troops and military hardware stationed in Eastern Europe, and threatened unspecified military response if those demands were not met in full. NATO has rejected these requests, and the United States warned Russia of swift and severe economic sanctions should it further invade Ukraine. The crisis was described by many commentators as one of the most intense in Europe since the Cold War. On the 21st of February 2022, Russia officially recognized the two breakaway regions in eastern Ukraine, the Donetsk People's Republic and the Luhansk People's Republic, as independent states, and deployed troops to Donbass, in a move interpreted as Russia's effective withdrawal from the Minsk Protocol. The breakaway republics were recognized in the boundaries of their respective Ukrainian oblasts, which extend far beyond the line of contact. On the 22nd of February, Putin said that the Minsk agreements were no longer valid. On the same day, the Federation Council unanimously authorized the use of military force in the territories. On the morning of the 24th of February, Putin announced that Russia was initiating a special military operation in the Donbass and launched a full-scale invasion into Ukraine.